It wasn't in my life plan to get pregnant at 16. Social services got involved early due to my circumstances. I heard a lot of misinformation about parent and child fostering. I was nervous, but looking back a year ago, it makes me feel really emotional of how far I've come.
Because they know it's an assessment, they're terrified that we're just watching all the time and just setting them up to fail, and that's not the case at all. There's a lot of nurturing involved, support.
It's getting that balance between allowing the parent to parent, but ensuring that the baby's always in a safe place.
It took a bit of time because I had to get to know them, they had to get to know me. But after about 2 weeks, it was like we had all known each other for years.
The teach isn't properly.
The ring taught me many skills, making bottles, doing nappy changes, and how to take care of myself. If I ever felt angry when she used to cry a lot, she taught me just to put her down and walk away for 5 minutes and compose myself to come back. They've helped me find out who I am as a person, and that was the best feeling I could ever experience after months of anxiety attacks, constantly feeling alone.
And then when you see as it progresses and the mum's confident and you know that the mum is doing really well, you can step back and think, you can do this.
We've been part of that journey, and that is probably the greatest gift we can give them. It gives them the opportunity to move forward and create their own family.
I would have struggled without the support throughout, and I think I wouldn't have been able to have my daughter in my care.
Have fun. See you later.
Parent and child fostering is important. We will teach you how to love your child and how to bond with your child. I love the person that she's become now. She's going to grow up to be a strong-willed person just like me. This is what motherhood's all about, and it's beautiful.